everyone, and welcome back to our DIY series with Dee. My name is Dee Allen. I work for the Licking County Aging Program, and I'm one of the activities coordinators here. On today's series, we are going to go over on how to decorate a terracotta pot. It only takes 3 simple items, and it's very inexpensive. You'll need some paint brushes. Now there's different styles that you can use, but this is the most simplest one that I have, that I found is easy. You can use the acrylic paint, or you can just use paint that you have in your garage if you have old leftover white paint from your house or any color. And then also, if you have old pots that's sitting around, like the terracotta ones, wouldn't cost anything, but if you do have to go buy them, you could buy them at Walmart, Lowe's, ranging from 50 cents to $3. So I'm going to start with the first step that I have done. We're going to start out with like red paint, and you're going to take a first coat and put it on kind of thick. And you're going to let it dry for at least 15 to 30 minutes. And I would put 2 coats to cover it all the way around. Or you can use the bigger ones. You could do 2 tones, just depending on what colors you have and what kind of fun things you want to put on there. Like I could do the top yellow and down on the green. Or you could tape it off and put blue masking tape and just do stripes. It just depends on what you want the colors to be. Now on this one, I would finish this out all red. And as you know, I'm not a very good artist. I can't draw that well. So I have a coworker that can draw a ladybug on here, a black ladybug, and that would look really pretty with a red flower in it. Now this one I just did on my own, which I'm not an artist. I painted it all teal blue, and I took my little paintbrush and just did a little dabs, or you can just do little circles. And there you go. There's your terracotta pot. And I hope you enjoyed today's DIY series, and please join us on our next series in the future. Have a great day.